Oh hello guys, in this quick video I will show you how to open a second WhatsApp or Facebook on your Android phone without installing any additional app. First, make sure that you have the latest version of Android on your device. Then, head to Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Features. Tap on Dual Messenger. And from here you can find the available apps. Switch this button on to install a second copy of WhatsApp, and you'll find your second app like this icon. You can apply the same process with the other available apps. Just switch the button on and install a second copy of it. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a like below and catch you on the next one.